Hello Primary 2, how are you? Today I will be with you to answer this model. We have model 5. Okay, let's go to start our model. Our answer to this model. Number 1, choose the correct answer. We have 17 minus what equals 9. Now, to do this, what we have to do? We have to start from the small to the big. Which number is small, 17 or 9? The smallest number, 17 or 9? 17 is bigger than 9. So I will count from 9 and stop to 17. I will count from 9 and stop to 17. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Stop. How many steps we will count on our fingers? We count 8 steps. So 17 minus 8 equals 9. Number 2. The place value of number 7 in 587 is the place value. What the meaning of place value? The place value meaning in the digit in which place. The digit in which place. I want to know the place of the 7 in number 587. If we put ones, tens, 100, we will find 7 in which place? Excellent, in ones place. Number 3, we have 3 tenths plus 4 tenths. The answer's 3 tenths plus 4 tenths. That's mean 3 tenths. Tenths meaning each number have 1 0. So 30 plus 40. 30 plus 40. We can cancel tenths and put 1 0. The number will be 30 plus 40. 30 plus 40. 30 plus 40. Excellent. Equals 70. Which one of our choices is 70? Which one? Yes, 7 tenths. Number 4, 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3. That's mean what? 10 plus 3 equal 30, 13, or 30, or 300. It's equal 13. Now we have number 5. 45 plus 32. How we will do it? 45 plus 32. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 equals 7. So the answer is 77. Okay, next one. 6 minus number 6, 67 minus 32. How we will do it? I will start from ones. 7 minus 2, I will count from 2 and stop to 7. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. How many fingers we count? We count 5. So in ones we have 5. And 6 minus 3, I will count from small to the big. I will count from 3 to 6. After 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. How many steps? We move 3. So the answer is 35. Number 7. Choose the correct number in which 9 has the value 90. Which one of these numbers the value is 90? 90, that's mean 9 in which place? 9 in tens place. The first number we have 495. 9 in which place? 9 in tens place. So its value is 90. Yes. And I will check the other choices. 269. 9 in which place? In ones. Its value is 90. Ones have no 0, so its value is 9. So it's not a correct answer. We have 945,690. 69. 945,000. And this number is 94,569. So the answer will be 9 here in thousand. So have 3 digits, 3 zeros, and 9 here in ones. Have 1 0. So it's not this. This is any one of you, just number 1. So the answer is 494. The next one, exercise number 2, complete. We have 217. 217. 217. First, I will circle 100. Now I have ones. I have to put ones, tens, and 100. In 100, the number in 100 we have 2, and in tens and ones we had 17. So it will be 217. Number B, we have 900 plus 20 plus 1. First step, what we have to do, we have to put ones, tens, 100. In 100 we have 9. In tens we have 20. In ones we have 1. Because 100 have 2 zeros. And in tens we have 1 0. In ones have 1. So the answer will be 921. Now we have 215. We need to expand this number. This is form, meaning we need to expand it. I will put the places of each number. Ones, tens, 100. In 100 we have 2, so I will put 2 and 2 zeros. And in tens we have 1, so it will be 10. So it will be 200 plus 10 plus 5. 200 plus, we have 200 plus 10 plus 5. Okay, number D, we have 821. I need to know in 100 which number, in tens which number, in ones which number. Now we have in 100, I will put the places ones, tens, 100. In 100 we have 8, and in tens we have 2. In ones we have 1, so I will put in ones 1, in tens 2, in 100 8. Now we have this number E, 8 and 2 0. How to read this number? This number is 800. I will put ones, tens, 100. 100 is strong, so we will read 800. We have tens or ones? No, so it's 800. Now, arrange the following number from the smallest to the greatest. We have number 1, 626. Number 2, 6 tenths. That means it's what? 60. 600 600ths. That means 600 like 6 and 2 zeros. 600 plus 5 tenths plus 60. So it will be 556. And the next one is 696. Now I want the smallest, and we have 600, 60, 600, 600, 600. Which is the small? Of course, 60 is the smallest number. Next, we have 626, 600, 656, 696. I will cancel each number we take it. We cancel tens. We have 600, 626, 600, 656, 696. The smallest is 600. And the next one will be, I will cancel it, 626. The next one will be 656. The next one will be 696. Now we have these examples. Write the suitable estimation in centimeter. I need to know the length of this scissor. It's start from 0. This is 0. And stop to which number? To 9. So the length of this about 9 centimeter. Okay, the next one, number 2. This paper clips or paper clips. Yes, it's paper clips. This start from 0 and stop about 2, 3. So its measure it will be 3 centimeter or about 3 centimeter. This is color, yellow color. I need to know its length. It's stop to 5 or it's stop about to 5. So it's about 5 centimeter. Okay, the next example. We have to circle the base of the better unit you would to use to measure the real object or measure the weight of each object. These clips or paper clips, it's very big or very small. Can I use kilogram or gram? Kilogram for a big things and gram for small things. So do you think which the best unit to measure the weight? I think it's gram. This butterfly, the best unit to measure it, it's very small, so the gram. And this elephant is very big, so we have to measure its weight by kilogram. Now I want you to write the time. We said before, the long hand represents the minutes, quarter, clock, half, right? And the short hand represents the hours. So write the time. The time it's 11:30 because the long hand to 6 represent half. And the short hand point to what? To 11. So it's 11:30. Now we have another example. The long hand to 6 and the short hand to 7. Let's to write. 12 represent the clock. And 3 represent a quarter. Half represent 6 represent half. So the time, the long hand pointer to what? To 6. It's half past what? 7, because the short hand point to what? To 7. It's half past 7. Now we have this graph. The first one, shady in each graph show the some data, okay, of I think it's his favorite fruits. Okay, number 1, what is this? It's what? It's pear. How many one like a pear, or it's his favorite fruit? 5. Apple, how many? 3. Banana, 10. Grapes, 2. Orange, 6. Kiwi, 4. Which fruit is the most favorite fruit? The most favorite fruit, that means it's what have the biggest number of the favorite peoples. Which one? It's banana, have the favorite number. And which fruit is the lowest favorite fruit? The last one has the smallest number. Grapes. So banana and the grapes. The grapes had the lowest and banana had the greatest. Now I will shadow the numbers. Pears have 5. Apples has 3. Banana has 10. Grapes has 2. Orange has 6. Kiwi has 4. And we said before the most favorite fruit is banana and the lowest favorite fruit is grapes.